Well, today I'm back to this spot that I was a few days ago, and I brought my crowbar today because the place I'd been kind of behind me here down, another 100, 200 yards, something like that, maybe even 300. There's a big red jasper that I want to take a look at with my crowbar, and I wanted to rockhound between here and there anyway, but I hauled out a big rock to where I didn't finish this area. So I've done upstream a certain amount, and so now I'm gonna head downstream, see what happens. Okay, first find of the day. Got an agate, quartzite agate. Not the most beautiful colors, but some nice striping. I know last year I got a couple of really nice rocks right out of this area. I can see some trees got moved. I'll wander over there in a bit, but okay, I just found this pretty cool piece of jasper. It's got some nice designs on it. It'll be an interesting cut. Thought I'd take a quick shot out here. It's really pretty. Beautiful early afternoon. Walking across here. Well, I know when I was up here last year, the water was lower, and I went along this bank, and then I crossed. But this is looking awful deep right here. Even too deep for these hip waders. Now maybe I'll go that way, but I think I can cross right there, climb up those logs, and then come out on that side. So that's what I'm gonna attempt over there. And that's where I was pointing down this way, that could probably get across. So gonna give that a try. I was successful to get around this big log and root ball system. So I was out in this water, pretty deep, close to the top of my hip waders. But I seen this agate down there, and so I kind of kicked it over into some shallower water. That seemed to work pretty good until I figure out some kind of scoop or something. But I think I could have got across when I pointed out. Wasn't sure. It'd be close, but probably if I maybe got around that. This is shallower down here, but got a red rock down here. It's worth keeping. Okay, I see a red one down here that looks pretty bright from here. super bright. It's a nice specimen there. Definitely gonna keep. So on the other side there, maybe you can see that red and white striped jasper, the big stone. Well, it's just right over there is why I came back here today with the crowbar, and that's where that other red one that's buried. And I really want to get a good look at it. So I'm going to be headed over there pretty soon. I'm just looking for some red. I thought I saw some, but looks a little more orange. I'm gonna go up and grab my bucket. A pretty large piece of, could be petrified wood, I'm not sure. I'll stick my boot on it for reference. I just found this pretty cool striped. I like it. So I cross and I come over and look for my big red jasper, and I can't find it. And I know it's by another rock that I'd also recognize, and so I'm just going to keep looking. So I got this one with the crowbar, and I'm just going to lift it up. Okay, it's not quite ready, so I gotta use two hands here. Hey, it's starting to emerge. I'm gonna try to pull it up into some shallower water. So I got the first rock out, and it's okay. It's got some kind of cool red on this side. Got some kind of rust colored stuff that may just be grime, but let's see the other side. Ooh. So the end is definitely cool. Got the red in it and the marbling, and this backside kind of the same. It's kind of brownish, but just not sure what's in the inside. I mean, from this side, looking at the side view, I mean, looks like it could be pretty cool. So I got this rock out of the water, and it's definitely a cool rock. Got some dark on it, but real nice red right in through here. It's pretty big. I can carry it. So probably what I'm going to do is pick it up and move it somewhere here. Ideally, I want to go that way. So this red rock is jammed in here, and from right here, it looks like a pretty cool rock. So I'm going to see what I can do here. So there she sits. Not a bad rock. I just found this one. Kind of cool. It's a jasper. It's got like the purplish liver